So here we got the Shim My Box from Racketeers, and what this is for, there's a little picture there, but what this is for is when your outlets or your light switches are too deep in the wall, like that one right there, then you can use these shims to bring it out to level. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take the cover off your outlet. So we're going to take our cover off. Then you want to remove your outlet. Now that you have your outlet loose, go ahead and pull it out. Pull that out there out of the way. Now you're going to open up your Shim My Box pack, and you're going to take out one of these straws. It's got a little groove all the way down inside so that it'll stay on the screw a little better, and it gives it support. So next, what you do is you take your marker and you hold that against where the screw goes, and you put a mark right at the wall, just like that. So that's how long of a shim I need. Now you can take a pair of dikes or side cutters, and you can cut that right on that line. And then take your screw, and this fits right over the screw. So slide it over the screw, and you'll do the same thing for the bottom side. So again, you take your shim, set it up against where the screw goes in, and mark it even with the wall. And you got your mark, cut it on your line. And then slide this over your bottom screw. Now all you got to do is shove everything back in there, tighten your screws down. And that is how you fix an outlet that is too deep in the wall. We'll put our cover back on here and show you how much better it is. Now you have an outlet that is flush with the surface. There you go. Hope this helps you out. Be sure to go over to the description where we'll show you where you can get these at. And as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos. And I'll also put a link in the description for these side cutters and this multi-tool. And y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.